I'm not gonna lie, I hate working with captions in Premiere Pro. Whenever I can, I will just use a service called Rev instead. Let's see how it looks in Premiere Pro and how to order captions or subtitles using Rev. Captions are basically a written dialogue, a transcription. Sometimes though, they can also provide information about music, sound effects, who is speaking, etc. We distinguish open captions and closed captions. While open captions are baked into the video, closed captions can be turned on and off whenever we want to. When we talk about subtitles, we usually refer to translated and timed transcription of the audio. Subtitles assume that the viewer can hear, but he doesn't speak the language in a film, and they are usually saved in closed caption format. It's hard to deny that captions and subtitles became very desirable. There is a huge audience watching videos, consuming content on their mobile devices, on a commute, sitting on a toilet, in a dentist waiting room, etc. When we just don't want to disturb everyone around. Okay, let's have a look at the captions panel in Premiere Pro. I can create captions by right-clicking in the project panel, new item and captions. Here we have to choose a type and a standard of captions. I will choose closed captions because I want to be able to upload them to YouTube. As for standard 708 is more up-to-date, so that's what we'll choose. It will also give us some more styling options than older standards. Now we can type captions in the panel. Usually I work with minimalized tracks, but for the caption clip, I'd suggest making it bigger to be able to adjust the timing of captions straight on the timeline. If you can't see captions in the program panel, you just need to click a wrench icon here, closed captions display settings, choose the same setting as earlier and now captions display enable. When you want to change styling for all captions, you need to right click on any of them and choose select all. For some reason Ctrl+8 doesn't work, which is pretty unintuitive. Okay, once you're done captioning, you can export captions file only. To do it, you just need to select it in the project panel and go to File, Export, Captions. Here you can choose between 3 different formats. SRT will be the most popular option to upload to YouTube. If that's your intention, just go to YouTube Studio, find the video you want, go to the Subtitles tab, click Add and upload the file. If you want to export captions together with a video file, just go to Export Media and now open the Captions tab. We can burn captions into a video, which basically means that we get open captions. We can also create a sidecar file, just like when we were exporting captions file only. And for some video formats, including MXF OP1A, we can also embed captions in the output file. When I import such a file to Premiere Pro, I have a captions clip linked to it. They are still editable and you can turn them on and off. You just need to make sure that in Preferences Media you have enabled a checkbox called Include Captions on Import. Let's say you have a caption file created by someone else. As long as format is supported, you can import it to Premiere. I've downloaded captions I ordered earlier on Rev. I can simply drag and drop the file and place it on the timeline. If the captions look weird after importing, you probably need to adjust their display settings. Just right-click it in the project panel and choose Modify Captions, or do it before importing in the import settings in the Captions panel. Now you can edit them, change color, font, etc. I think we can all agree that captions are important and should be used for most videos distributed across the web. But the main reason I avoid creating them by myself is that working with captions is bloody boring. Also, in a way, I cannot afford doing it by myself. How is that? For the sake of example, let's say that I charge $50 per hour of my time. How many minutes of captions am I able to create in an hour? My guess is that about 4 minutes. So it's $12.5 per minute of content. And Rev service is 10 times cheaper. And that's not all, they have 99% of accuracy because it's not software only doing the job. As far as I understand, they use a unique combination of software and actual human beings. To be clear, this video is not sponsored, it's just what I use when I need captions for myself or for my clients. However, if you use my link in the description, I will get a commission at no additional cost to you and you support the growth of this channel. Using that link, you will also get $10 off your first order, which is especially nice. Okay, let's see how easy it is to order captions or subtitles for YouTube video. I've connected my channel to Rev, so here are all my videos and I can check to show only videos without a caption file. I want to order captions for all 3 episodes of my Premiere Pro Secret series. As I've said earlier, Rev is pretty affordable. It's also good to know that if you order foreign language subtitles, you get English captions for free. For videos under 30 minutes, it usually takes less than 6 hours. The first video of Premiere Pro Secrets I ordered was completed in 45 minutes. Also, Rev will actually upload the caption or subtitle file to YouTube without my help. So again, once the order is completed, I'm all set. Now go ahead, use the link in the description to get $10 off your first order and check out my series about Premiere Pro Secrets, you will love it. Subscribe, ring the bell and see you in the next video.